Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, I started this channel in January 2026 and I'm gonna film every trip and do a breakdown at the end of every month. I already did the January breakdown and now I'm gonna do the February. I am an owner operator, I drive a reefer, and I am leased to a company that I use their name and everything, but I book my own loads, I do my own fuel routing, so I'm in control of what I do, where I go, and in all of that. So for February, by the way, the prices have dropped. Today's February 28th. I booked a load for tomorrow, which is the first, for $7,500 going to Lake City, Florida, picks up in American Falls, Idaho. I did that same load actually at the beginning of the month for 8,000. Now they're paying 75. Fuel has gone up. So I don't know what March is gonna bring, but usually at the end of the quarter every year, it happens. It's normal. All right, let's break down February here. So the first load I did was from American Falls, Idaho to Lake City, Florida, which paid 8,000. I brought back a load from Lacombe, Louisiana. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. To Grantsville, Utah, which is about 40 miles away from where I live here in Salt Lake City. And that paid 39. Okay. Then on my second trip, I took a load from Twin Falls, Idaho to Arlington, Texas. And then from Terrell, Texas, I picked up a load, had a drop in McKinney, Texas, which is the Dallas area. And my second drop was in Memphis, 2,300 on that one. So from Memphis, I went to Wayne, Arkansas, picked up a load to Terrell, Texas, which is the Dallas area close to it. That paid 1,500. And then I picked up a load from Denton, Texas, one delivery in Phoenix, Arizona, and finalized in Salt Lake City, Utah. I booked that load for 3,800, but they paid me 200 detention because at the pickup I had a 4 p.m. pickup, but they didn't get me loaded until 11 p.m. at night. So it came out to 4,000 on it. So for February, I grossed out at $24,941. I had $5,225 in fuel. I did 9,493 total miles. That is empty and loaded miles altogether. And my net pay from it was $16,273. And when I say net pay, that includes, so the company deducts cargo insurance and ELD. So cargo, ELD, IFTA. So that's what the company takes. Plus they take 10% off the total gross, which leaves me still at 16,273. Now from that 16,273, from my end, what I have to pay is my truck payment, my bobtail insurance, the load board that I use to find loads. If I have scales, I do pay $150 for the parking I'm on. So I have about $4,000 in expenses. So from the net pay, from the 16,000, we'll deduct another 4,000, which leaves us at $12,273 that I cleared. So if you like my channel, please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I will see you in my next vlog.